And welcome everyone. In this video, I'm gonna educate you on how does a crypto wallet work. You might be surprised when you come to know the fact and the mechanism behind how a crypto wallet actually works. So before we dive into the video, hit that subscribe button to strengthen our passion to make more educational videos like this. So what is a crypto wallet? Crypto wallet is a place where we keep our digital cash or electronic cash safe and secure, like cash or paper money in our wallets. Back in the days when Satoshi Nakamoto came up with a solution for wallet, it was actually called client, not wallet. For everyone's convenience, the nickname was quickly invented, which is nowadays only known as wallet or cryptocurrency wallet. Now the question is, how does a crypto wallet work? Well, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are no actual coins in the cryptocurrency wallets, but instead few digits. There's a common misconception that people believe they have all their cryptocurrencies in their wallets. This is not true, of course. But the fact is, all the coins are actually on the blockchain, not in that particular wallet. What the cryptocurrency wallet does instead is that it provides access to your coins stored on the blockchain in an easy and a layman's method. So, wallets are a software technology which store your private and public keys and interact with the blockchain to allow you to access your bitcoins or other cryptocurrency stored on a blockchain. For example, in the case of bitcoins, when you have some bitcoins, you don't have your bitcoin in your wallet, as all the bitcoins are actually on the blockchain. However, what you can do is that you can access your Bitcoin on the blockchain using your cryptocurrency wallet. Once you access your funds, you can do several things like checking your balance, withdraw, or exchange to other currencies. You can also transfer some of your Bitcoins to your friends, which is technically speaking would be that you basically assign an access of some of your bitcoins to another client or another wallet. This is how a crypto wallet actually works. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you want to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you for watching.